Hello everyone. We are from team Pondi Plus. Myself Aniruddha Kalamani from class 12th.
Myself Pradyumna from class 11.
Myself Kaushik from class 12.
We are living in the regions of Western Ghats where we receive heavy rainfall. So, ponds and lakes are the major sources of water and fishes for the people living here. But due to lack of maintenance of these stagnant water sources, it has led to growth of algae which promotes the growth of aquatic plants on it.
And that was our problem statement.
So we came up with an innovative solution, Pondiplus, which is smart, eco-friendly and fully automated, which can be controlled by a mobile phone.
Here you can see our Pondi Plus is in action and one person from outside is controlling it from his mobile phone. We met our community and discussed with the community people. They listed some real life problems and suggested some key improvements for our prototype.
ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕುಡಿಬೋದ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಡೀ ಪಾಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ
ತೆಗೆದವಾಗ ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
Likewise, again and again, we met our community and got so many points to improve our prototype. We met some senior farmers, some senior fishermen, and some good swimmers to get some technical details.
Our model is perfectly working as you see.
This is not the end. We want to upgrade and improve our prototype. Our technical knowledge is limiting our efforts. We want to add cloud-based data analysis, GPS and IoT to our prototype. Also, we want to check the purity and quality of the water with the help of water sanitization kit attached to this device. So definitely we are expecting huge support from incubation centers, industries, academia and government startup ecosystem.
Our ATL is motivating us to help our community to get rid of some real life problems. So we came up with this Pondi Plus and we want to make it as a product to work as a startup. If you got selected in top 50, you can see us in the market within 6 months.